Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Taste in tea. Live in harmony. Let's have a cup of tea. Let's do a eeny meeny 茉莉红茶。茉莉红茶，玫瑰红茶。茉莉红茶。Oh, there are quite some flavors in it. I got it confused a little bit, so we will do a reclassification. 茉莉绿茶。茉莉乌龙 ，This is jasmine 乌龙 ，jasmine 乌龙 ，jasmine 乌龙 ，jasmine black, rose black, jasmine 乌龙，桂花乌龙 ，osmanthus 乌龙。Rose black, rose black, rose black, rose black. No, jasmine black, jasmine black. Osmanthus 乌龙 ，osmanthus 乌龙。Jasmine green. Osmanthus 乌龙 ，Jasmine 六宝 dark tea. I have never tried that, so I'm debating between osmanthus and jasmine. Take my eyes away. If it squeeze, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Jasmine 六宝. So it's a dark tea of jasmine. Okay, I will not classify it. I think it's more fun if I put it just like that, and every time I do this. Let's do it. So we are having jasmine 六宝. Even if there is this, I like to use my scissors. And I like my tea to be completely free. One or two. That's a lot. Then we drink a lot. You will take a look at this. I'm sorry. It's too close to the camera, so kind of. I like to drink tea with a lot of water. This way the tea is more evened out. We can cover it or not to cover it because it's a summertime, quite hot. So this is 六宝茶. I have never tried 六宝. do not know what this tea is. liubao, scented 3 times. liubao, 广西横线. Ah, so this one has the location of the place. 云南凤山镇 风清 do not know this place. I know Yunnan. And then so you can see it's quite a complete. Oh, we should do a very, very close up. Let's take a look. Macro. That is the tea. Oh, any teeny tiny bit of movement will make it hard to see. Oh my. That is liubao tea. It's about 1 or 2 minutes now. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this way it is optical zoom instead of digital zoom. That is the tea. Yeah. So I just want to have a good afternoon. Some friends said, "Yanghaiying, you should do a tea video, and your tea video is always relaxing, and your old time is good." I think the reason my video becomes more louder, stronger voice is because from time to time I got some friends saying they cannot hear me, so I increase the volume. And then there are other friends say the sound is too loud. So the decision I made is I am not doing video for anybody. You know, when you do video for someone to listen to some, then there will be some other friends, people who find it not right. You know, it's more about life than about tea. About making video, right? There is only one thing you can stand, and stand strong. That is yourself. I live my life. We live our life. Let other people to accept, to like or dislike. If we center in ourselves, in our way of doing things, we have a stronger ground. If we center our way of doing things into other people's judgment, into other people's opinion, into other people's suggestion, into other people's critique, into other people's kind-hearted help, however it is, we are losing our own ground, right? So the point is that we do not disregard other people's opinion, suggestion, critique. We stand firmly, strongly on our ground and do things exactly according to what the best way is suiting ourselves. And after that, we accept opinions, critics, but make sure we do things that is our way. So I am thinking it's not listening to others. The point is you have to have a strong core, a strong base. From that base, you can branch out. Without that comfort zone, we cannot please others because they come for the true, authentic ourselves. Does it make any sense? I mean, a lot of time, when someone is so strong, they build a persona, they build a brand, they build a style. And they radiate from that style, and people follow that style. And even if when people give critique, they still have a strong base, and then they change or improve a little bit. For us, who does not have a strong persona, who does not have a strong brand, who does not have a strong presence, who does not have a strong following or strong style, our core is sticking to our style and slowly, firmly develop our style. Otherwise, we get lost too easily. Not to listen to others, but when we are weak, we need to reinforce our uniqueness. Do not change because of other people's opinion. Change because we need to change. Change because we want to change. The resource of this change, the motivation of this change is from us, not from comments. Does this make any sense? Okay, so here is the tea. It is not too strong, I think. I like it. I do not like tea to become too dark because I will have a black heart. I remember there was one time I said, and one friend laughed. So if you drink dark tea, dark coffee, you will have a dark heart. That was my thought. My heart will be dyed. Oh my goodness. There is this jasmine. I can smell the jasmine fragrance. So this is the true infusion of the jasmine by putting a layer of tea and a big pot, something like a big pot of jasmine, and steam the heat, not steaming, through the summer night warmth. The jasmine fragrance will come out and get into the tea, and they are not blended, they are not combined together. Kind of makes sense. Tea leaf and jasmine flower petal, they are not of the same texture strength. So if you combine them together, it may get the tea leaf rusty, get rotten the tea leaf, and this way is. So sometimes you see jasmine flower in the tea, which is good, but it's not a must. The must is the flavor, is the fragrance. It's not about the appearance. It's about the true core essence of the tea and of the fragrance. I like it. I think that this is the way to drink tea. And then afternoon tea with tower of cake sandwich is something I strongly against. I feel that is taking away the purity of tea. It's polluting. I feel it's polluting. It's my personal opinion. Of course, an afternoon tea with tower of cakes, with beautiful, elegant tea house, and complicated, pretty, refined bone china. It's something to admire for, but it's just not my cup of tea. It's just not my cup of tea. I'm sorry for the family sound. I hope it's not too much. I hope it it does not shock you too much. Anyway, yeah, I am doing my things. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.